YouTube has literally just released their own keyword research tool, but the really cool thing about this keyword research tool is that it's in your YouTube studio. This is going to give us a ton more personalized insights into our own content and what our viewers want. Hey guys, my name's Tennille and welcome back to Shore Social, where I make helpful videos like this one. If you are new here and want a little bit of help in the content creation atmosphere, then you're in the right spot. Why not hit that subscribe button? So what's really cool about this new YouTube feature is it's in your YouTube studio. So go ahead and click your icon in the top right hand corner, click YouTube Studio, and then click the Analytics tab. As you can see here, we've got a new header called Research. So go ahead and click into that, and this is our new search feature. So as you saw, there are 3 new headings we can mess around with and take a look at. Let's take a deeper look into this research tool. So we're greeted here with a nice heading, Explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. Use this tool to research some of the top searches from viewers on your channel and across YouTube in the last 28 days. So this means anything that we punch into this keyword tool is directed at our channel specifically, which is amazing because we know all of the third-party keyword research tools like VidIQ, Morning Fame, and TubeBuddy, there's a ton more. As much as we love them, they're not personalized enough for us to use them to their maximum potential for growth when it comes to keywords. So it's great that YouTube has designed a tool that is so personalized and directed to our own channel. So we're taking a look at searches across YouTube. So the little blurb says explore some of the top YouTube searches by topic. So for example, the search term I'm going to use is going to be webcam. So if we leave it in there in the search bar without actually pressing enter, it's going to come up with 2 options. So we've got webcam as a search term, or we've got webcam as a computer peripheral. So we're actually going to try out the computer peripheral because that's what we're searching for. So here are our results for webcam. So we've got live webcams, webcam, periscope, and live camera. The others seem unrelated. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change the search term to content gaps only. So a content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and the results they find. A content gap happens when viewers can't find any results for their searches, viewers can't find an exact match for their searches, and viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches. For example, the content is old or low quality. You may want to use a content gap as a starting point to research videos that don't exist or could be improved. So it's telling me that webcams in general are a content gap and the search volume for webcams are high. But then we get a little bit more specific with a Logitech C270. It's telling me that this is a content gap, but the search volume is small. So that's telling me one of the 3 things. There's either no results for this search, the viewers can't find an exact match for this search, or the videos for this search are old. And then you've got some cool tutorials, how to connect a camera to laptop, how to make your camera better quality, how to connect webcam to laptop. These are all content ideas if you are in the technological space. How to use phone as webcam. So say for example, I've stumbled across a topic or search term that I want to use to create a video on in the future. All you need to do is go ahead and click the save button. Once you click save, it'll actually go to your saved search terms that you want to explore more on. As you can see down here, how to use a phone as a webcam. So anything you save here will be saved until you remove it. Now, the last section we want to check out is the your viewers searches. So explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewers of channels like yours are looking for on YouTube. So these are search terms that my viewers are searching for, but the viewers of similar channels to my own channel are searching for as well. But the cool thing is you can also go from all searches to content gaps only to find those gaps in content that you can get some ideas from. Obviously, this is going to change from day to day because 28 days is rotation, which is pretty freaking cool. This keyword tool has only just been implemented, so I cannot wait to see what YouTube have in store when it comes to updating this and improving it in any way, shape, or form. I myself have already made some content off the saved searches that I've located through this keyword feature. So I highly suggest you guys take a look at some of the content ideas and really closely take a look at the content gaps and do some research on those because you might find some gems inside there. I also love that we can just search across the entirety of YouTube. It doesn't have to be very narrowed down to our own channel, so we can still branch out and find other content ideas outside of our own channel.